Hi everyone, my name is Brianna and I'm an options day trader here to talk to you about the market and how to learn and navigate through it. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. These are simply my interpretations and this is just my view. This week I really wanted to highlight the JP Morgan settlement that happened roughly a month ago on June 12th. One of the biggest things to understand in the stock market is the flow of news. The interpretation of news is a developed skill that one attains over time through education and looking for patterns. What we think is big may not be big in the markets. For example, I'm going to use the Kardashians since they're so influential on social media. But back in 2018, Kylie Jenner tweeted, "So does anyone else not use Snapchat anymore, or is it just me?" Oh, this is so sad. This comment alone tanked the stock market 7.2%, wiping out $1.3 billion in market value, all because she said she doesn't like the app anymore. When Kylie said she doesn't like Snap, it's a key catalyst, but why? Snap is a budding company and more millennials or Gen Z listen to whatever Kylie says. When membership drops, Snapchat cannot generate money on ads, so ultimately the stock's gonna plummet. In the case of JP Morgan, it is a large and established bank, making billions in profit every year. Just on customer deposits, they are estimated to generate $84 billion this year alone. There's also other divisions of the bank like investment banking, wealth management, trading, etc., which contribute to even more profits. So a $290 million settlement is just pocket change or a rounding error to them. This settlement also did not include admission of liability by the bank and affiliations with Epstein's victims. The market knew that and didn't care. Markets only care about the value of financial impact to the company and they react. Overall, perception can be very cutthroat in the world of money. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more content.